Co-NECT is really first step you really need to take, because if you're not able to get the data from the machine, then you cannot automate anything, you cannot do any AI using that data. Every customer needs to connect their machine to another system, and it's really easy with all of our expertise to connect them in whatever format the machine provides and just send the data. We can configure our adapter to take the data, extract the data from the machine, from any kind of technology, any kind of machine, any kind of protocol, and send it in whatever format is needed from the MES ERP. You install it, you use it, it's really intuitive. Co-NECT is really easy to configure. We can support currently CFX, CAMX, any proprietary protocol can be supported also with some improvement. Everyone wants to do Industry 4.0, but first Co-NECT.